Welcome. Hi everybody. I'm going to create a long necklace around 90 centimeters, 35 inches in length, perfect for a long lariat length or double wrap. I'm working with white griffin bead cord number 6. The diameter is 0.7 millimeters. The advantage of griffin polyester bead cord is that it is very strong and does not stretch, perfect for modern beading. This diameter of cord works with my seed beads as well as the larger feature beads that I am using. I'm working with a variety of glass bead types. This adds dimension and character to the design. The feature bead I am working with is a table cut bead, which means it has two highly polished surfaces. The colour I'm working with is the delicate Pink Lotus colour. To complement the Pink Lotus, I have chosen two traditional Czech seed beads in size 11, metallic taupe and veiled rose. I'm going to use a 4mm Czech crystal bicone bead in Rosa Radiance full coated, which will sit either side of my round 6mm druk bead in cream pink. Unwind the needle and bead cord carefully from its card. Tweak the needle a little to straighten it out. The griffin bead cord comes in 2-meter lengths with an integrated twisted wire beading needle, so you are ready to start. Pick up a stopper bead. This is a temporary bead just to stop your beads from slipping off. We will remove this bead later. You will have a long length of thread to work with, and if you bear in mind the needle is integrated, you need to use the bottom metre of cord for your necklace, leaving the top or first metre of cord with the attached needle for a second design if you so decide. When we start the necklace, we need to consider in advance attaching the ends. The first component that I'm going to pick up in preparation for adding a catch is a culotte crimp. This component will cover your knot and create an attachment with which to affix your catch. Pass the needle through the culotte with the inside of the dome shapes facing away from the needle tip. The next bead I want to pick up is a 1.8mm sterling silver bead. This is optional, but it sits snugly between your seed beads and the culotte. Pick up one taupe bead and 16 rose beads. I find it easier to pre-count my 16 rose beads. Pick up a taupe bead. Don't worry at this stage about getting the beads to the bottom of the thread. Now I will pick up a crystal, a 6mm round bead and another crystal. I will repeat my seed bead section with one taupe and 16 of my rose beads, which I will again count. Less chance of making a mistake and having to go back and restring. Finishing again with the taupe. Again, another crystal, a round, and another crystal. And again, repeat your seed bead section. One more taupe bead. So in the section I have 2 crystal sections and 3 seed bead sections. I'm now ready to put on my feature bead. I will repeat this full section, including a florist bead between each section until I have achieved the length of necklace I require. I will finish with seed beads as the end and the beginning of the necklace are the same. The finishing bead will be a sterling 1.8mm round plus the final culotte crimp. remove your stopper bead, tie a simple knot in the cord close to your work. Pull the knot tight and do another knot over the top of your first knot. This can be tricky, but it adds extra security. Take a little bit of glue and apply it all over your knot. Leave that to set for a few minutes. Cut the excess cord using a thread zapper. This will seal the end. Take your culotte crimp and gently ease the two sides together as far as they'll go using your fingers. Finish off the squeeze with a pair of chain nose pliers to get a flush finish. With your strip, take a pair of round nose pliers. With the tips of the pliers, curl the strip of the culotte into a circle. Before finishing the opposite end of the necklace, check for tension. Lay your necklace flat and smooth out tightness between beads and also any gaps. Finish the culotte crimp for the opposite side of your necklace. Affix a 13mm trigger catch, or for an easy open option, an 8mm magnetic catch. Using 2 jump rings either side of your necklace, open the jump rings apart gently by manoeuvring one side towards you and one side away from you. I'm going to opt for the easy open option, my 8mm magnetic catch. And 2 pairs of chain nose pliers just make the job that little bit easier. And that is your necklace complete. The magnetic catch is now easier to open, and it is a super strong magnetic catch. Head on over to Bead Kits for free instructions and the list of materials you will need to make this necklace. Click on the link below.